What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ethan, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and installing what's in this box onto my DMAX. Let's get into it. As you can see, I'm definitely unboxing this for the first time because of the duct tape. I've been happy to wait until the video to have a look at what's inside, but I mean, who knows? It is a brand new fiery red 13,000 pound winch. All right, so what's included in this winch from Fiery Red? Well, first off, we've got the winch itself. This winch, as I said before, is a 13,000 pound winch, and it weighs 26 kilograms. For reference, as you can see, it comes with all the wiring and the cables for everything to hook it up. One of these face plates for the bull bar, extra cable or the negative cable, all the bolts that you need. Got the controller wireless adapter and the wired lead for the controller. And we've got our hook and this thing, which I don't actually know what it does. And that's everything in the box. So I've never actually installed a winch before, but everything that I see from these ones, they're pretty much plug and play, and there's about 3 main steps that you need to do to install a winch. The first one is mounting it to your bull bar, the second one is wiring it to your battery, and the third one is giving it a test, of course. So we're going to start by seeing if this actually fits inside my bull bar. Fingers crossed, I don't know, it's a bit of trial and error, we'll see what happens, but let's give it a whirl. Alright, so some people might have to take their bull bar off to get their winch in. But these ARB ones are actually really good. There's lots of space. I don't think I'll need to take it off. We'll only find out in a second when I try and put it in here. But yeah, lots of space in here. So let's see if she fits. Winch is mounted, 2 bolts, just fits, look at that. And we've got access to the free spool just in there. Alright, so as you can see with these mounting bolts, there's a bit of adjustment where you can move it up or down. And I had to move mine right to the very top because I didn't want the winch rope rubbing on the bull bar. So this faceplate actually kind of softens it with a round edge. So I had to move it up to get that to fit nicely, but she's all in, ready to go. Now into some of the specs of this winch and also the wiring diagram. As you can see, the wiring is pretty simple. Just a black and red from the winch to the control box and a black and red to the battery. And then your controller
just mounts out of your control box. There's a wireless option and a wired option. Now this is a 13,000 pound winch, which is equivalent to 5.9 tonne, which is very big. My car only weighs about 3, but the only other option I had was a 10,000 pound, which would have been just enough. And so I wanted to make sure I had more power if I needed to. The total rope length is 17 feet or 4.8 meters, so 5 meters. So yeah, let's get into the wiring. Should be pretty simple, but yeah. Alright, so as you can tell by the wiring diagram, there needs to be a positive and a negative from the winch to the control box, and a positive and a negative from the control box to the battery up in the engine bay. Now there's this positive that's already in the control box, but the negative was supplied separately. So I'm going to attach it just to the winch directly. Apparently that is okay as well, but I'll test it and see first. Moment of truth, I had to plug it in because this was flat, but this lead actually charges the remote as well. So here we go. Alrighty guys, so I just thought I'd show you how I've wired this up because I had a little bit of trouble myself. So as you can see there is a red, black and yellow from the winch to the control box. So keep that as the same. And then the other black that they supply with you goes to the battery, and this red here goes to the battery. But the black from the battery ties in to this other lug nut on the winch, which is actually connected to this little negative cable here, which goes to the back of the solenoid there, and that is connected for the remote. So just so you know, that's what I've done. And before it was, the solenoid was clicking and the cables were heating up, but now it's all working, and I'm going to put it back together and show you how the winch works. All right, let's test out the winch so you can see it. I've got it on wireless mode, got the car running just to give the battery enough power, and we're going to go out. Oh yeah. Look at that. And then we're going to go in. That's how you do it, guys. This wiring diagram is actually incorrect. It's not winch, black and red to control box, black and red to battery. It's winch, black and red to control box, red to battery, and black from the winch to the battery. Alrighty guys, everything is back in place. Winch is on, number plates back on, bash plates are back in. So yeah, that's my winch install. Obviously had a little bit of troubleshooting to do there, which was kind of off camera, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any of the install, this is an ARB bull bar, just so that you know. And if you got any questions about the wiring, just let me know as well down in the comments. Going full driving next weekend, maybe might need the winch. We'll have to wait and see, but yeah, keen to test it out regardless. What an awesome mod, and cheap insurance as well. This cost about, I think it was about $550, something like that. There was a bit of a sale on, so super great price. I guess time will tell as to how good it is on the tracks and all that. But for now, so far so good. Awesome guys, well that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe for more videos just like this one, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.